How to fix abandoned game penalty error in Apex Legends. FYI, if you disconnected or your device were disconnected from the server, disconnecting will result in lost RP and, it's looking like you're abandoning the match, so you'll also be hit with the penalty when that happens. 1. Check if you used the reported crafting material bins. If so, you may have to temporarily avoid accessing crafting material bins across different maps on Apex Legends. And get any official patch installed in time, keep waiting for the fix or, wait out the end of game animations and emotes. 2. Take a look at our article for basic connection troubleshooting from EA support page at https://help.ea.com/n/help/faq/connection-troubleshooting-basic. 3. Run the test again with the European server. 4. Play the game on a server with the least ping. 4. Try a wired connection.